Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TechMills. So today we are going to unbox a Rozzetta Craft Sports Sunglasses that I bought online shopping at Flipkart. So let's start unboxing. So guys, this is the gadget that we have. Let's open it. So guys, let's take a look at the packaging. The box is sleek and sturdy, featuring the Rozzetta Craft logo and the product details. So guys, in this box, we have a protective carrying case, and this is a sunglass, and also we have a microfiber cleaning cloth. So finally we got our sunglass. So guys, moving on the sunglasses themselves. The design is quite sporty and modern. The wrap around styles provides a snug fit and perfect for outdoor activities. The frames appear to be made of a durable material and the hinges feel sturdy. The lens quality is something I am really excited to test out, especially in different lighting conditions. Guys, the nose pads are adjustable for personalized fit. So guys, I have to say, the fit is snug yet comfortable. The wraparound design ensures a secure feel. So guys, this is the sunglass that we have. Now let's try it. Oh wow, it looks great guys. It's very comfortable and looking wise it's great guys. Guys, let's go outside and try to see its magic. So let's go. So guys, I am here under the bright sun. Now you can see the difference. This is with glass and this is without glass. Guys, I think when you are looking with this glass, this is far better than without glass. As you can see, so guys, now I am standing in front of a high road at night and you can see the difference. This is without glass and this is with glass. And I think the look with this glass is far better than without glass. So guys, according to my opinion, if you are in the market for a reliable sports sunglasses, these are definitely worth considering. And this sunglass will be perfect for you for cycling or bike riding. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.